Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well today. Today I would like to talk about the 8 grammatical mistakes that I found in people's writings and speakings as well. I would like to touch upon briefly about those mistakes that people usually make while communicating with each other. Those mistakes are, if you look at the first sentence that I've written here, today morning I woke up late. So in this case, today is incorrect. So it should be replaced by this morning, right? So I'm going to write this is this morning, not today morning. Okay, this will be the correct expression. The second one is what's the different. A lot of people, I've heard them saying what's the different. Okay, in this case I've already underlined different. Different is adjective, is an adjective, right? And we need noun here in this case. And what's the noun? The noun is different. So you can't say what's the different, you must say what's the difference instead, right? Okay, the third sentence, I met Ahmed 2 years before. You can't use before in this case, okay? You must say I met Ahmed 2 years ago. Before something, before I graduated, you can use before something like before I graduated, before I go to England, before I got married. In this case you can use before, but you can't use it in that sense, right? So you must say I met Ahmed 2 years ago. Okay, number 4, this is a 6 months course. In this case, this 6 months, you can see this entire expression becomes an adjective for the noun course. So you can't say 6 months. What you need to remove, आपने s को remove करना है, क्योंकि ये 6 month together is an adjective for the course which is a noun, right? So don't say 6 months, but instead say 6 month course. ठीक है? So 6 months से आप 6 month करें, क्योंकि this will be an adjective for the noun which is course, right? Number 5, thank you, I really enjoyed. So there is no anything else. So now I added myself, because this enjoyed is basically a reflexive verb. It needs somebody, it needs an object, right? So you must add I enjoyed myself, you enjoyed yourself. This is called a reflexive verb. That's why you have to add myself. You can't use enjoyed alone, right? Number 6, did you lose your cell phone? So lose is an adjective, and lose, L-O-S-E, is the opposite of find. So in this case you have to use L-O-S-E, right? Not the one which is adjective, that's L-O-O-S-E, right? Which is loosely bonded, you can say. In those sense you can use it, but in this case you have to use L-O-S-E, not L-O-O-S-E, loose, right? Number 7, this is an academic course. I've heard a lot of people saying academic. It's not academic. Okay, in this one there's a pronunciation problem, yeah? So it's not academic, it's academic. Academic. The stress is on the D. Okay, so second one is the stress syllable in this case. Academic, not academic, right? So you must pronounce it correctly, okay? Okay, the last one is yes, I have a free time. Don't say a free time, because time is uncountable noun. For uncountable noun we don't use a. This is an article, right? So don't use a before time. So say instead, remove this a and say yes, I have free time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share, like and comment on the video that I'm uploading right now. Right, thank you very much.